Exercise 9.2 says find the product of the following pairs of monomials. First question is 4 and 7p. So how do we do this? Look, solution, we have 4 and has to be multiplied by 7p. So remember one thing, this 4 can directly be multiplied with 7 and will give you, so this is 728 p, right? So if you have p, then p is to be written with the product of the numbers. The second one is minus 4p into 7p. So look, how do we do this? This is minus 4 into 7 and put this inside the bracket, then p into p we have, so this will be constitute to minus 28. P into p is p square. Remember, p into p is equal to p square, and p plus p, what is p plus p? Is basically 2p. So make sure the difference between the product and the addition of the variables. Third one is minus 4p into 7p cube. So similarly we will multiply minus 4 and 7 and then p is to be multiplied with pq. Your answer is minus 28. P into p is p square and q, so it is your answer, right? The fourth one is 4p square multiplied by minus 3p. So this will be equal to 4 multiply minus 3. So you can write it as p square into p. Your answer is minus 12 p cube. So this is how we solve monomial, multiply monomial. Now come to the question number 2, exercise 9.2. Find the areas of the rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. The first part, number 1, says p comma q are in the brackets. So here we have length of a rectangle given as p, say units, p units, and breadth of rectangle is given as q units. So as we know area by the formula, that is length multiply breadth. So your area is p multiply q, that is equal to pq square units. So this is nothing but the product of the two monomials is to be done, and the shape of the question is given as to find the area of the rectangle whose length and breadths are given the following. Second part is 10m, 5n. So what is to be done is, say length, here length is equal to 10m units, and breadth is 5mn units, then area is equal to 10m multiply 5n. So your answer is 50mn. So write it little bit closer to the coefficient part, 50mn square units. So this is how we do question number 2. Question number 3 says complete the table of products. The first polynomials are written in the columns and the second are written in the rows. So all we have to do is 2x into 2x. So 2x into 2x is 2 into 2 and x into x, that is 4x square. This is 4x square. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. X into y is xy. 3 into 2 6. X into x square is x cube. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. X into x is x square here and y. Similarly 2 into 7, that is 14. X into x square is x cube and y is independent. Minus 9 into 2, that is minus 18. X into x square is x cube and y square, right? So this is how we complete this table. Similarly, all the entries can be entered by multiplying the corresponding terms. You can say minus 5y into 2x is minus 10 xy. You can write x or y, anyone. You can write x, y or yx here. So minus 10 xy I have written here. Minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25 and y into y is y square. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 into x cube, x square and y. Minus 4 into 5 is 20 plus 20. Y has to be multiplied with y and x, this is x into y square. So 7 into 5 minus 35 and this is x square y square. Minus 5 into 9 is 45 and x square you can write and y cube, y square and y is y cube. So this is how we will complete this whole table of multiplication. Question number 4, exercise 9.2. Obtain the volume of the rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. See, question number 1, first part is given as 5a, 3a square and 7a raised to power 4. Look, the first component is supposed to be as length, the second term is breadth and third one is height. If anyone is not knowing, then let me tell you, volume of a rectangular box is always equal to length multiply breadth and multiply height. So the volume formula is having length into breadth into height. So here we have length of a rectangular box given as 5a units, right? Breadth given as breadth of rectangular box as 3a units and height of rectangular box is given as 7a raised to power 4 units. So now the volume is basically the multiplication of all these three, that is length into breadth into height. That means this is 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to power 4. So all in all we have here is 5 into 3 into 7 and a into, so we have multiplication here as well, a into a square into a raised to power 4. So what is it? 5 3s are 15 and 5, 15 multiply 7 is 105 a raised to power, this is a raised to power 1, a raised to power 4, a raised to 2, a raised to 1. So this is a raised to power 7. Note down a raised to power 7. How we come to the conclusion that this is a raised to power 7 is, this is a square and this is a raised to power 4. So how do we do this? this is a into a into a into a into a into a into a. So these are total 7. So this is a raised to power 7. Another way is a raised to power 1, a raised to power 1 into a raised to power 2 into a raised to power 4. We can say this is a raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power 2 plus 4, that is a raised to power 7. So this is how we do the having the same base and different powers in product form, then powers are to be added. So I think all the remaining parts of question number 4 are a bit easy. Question number 5 are having the same treatment again. Let us see. Find the product of, the first one is xy comma yz comma zx. So look, how do we do this solution? Say this is xy into yz into zx. Even we are not writing here the product between the two x and y, in between them there is a sign of multiplication present there, right? So what we have is x and x are multiplied, x into x, by commutative property x and x can come together, so this is x square, right? So what is it? X square into y, we have 2y here, y into y here, y multiplied y is equal to y square into z square similarly, and this will be your answer, x square y square z square. So this is your answer. Similarly, let us see one more example. Question number 5, a comma minus a square comma a cube. So remember the previous one, as we have done in question number 4 as well. In the solution part we will do it as a into minus a square into a cube. So this will be minus 1 here, this is minus 1 is 1 and 1 here, so overall answer is minus 1 into a square into a cube. So this will be minus 1 into a raised to power 1, a raised to 2, a raised to 3. So how many a we have? 3 a's, 2 a's and 1, 3 and 2, 5 and 5 and 1, 6. So a raised to power 6. So we have minus of a raised to power 6, and this is how we have the answer.